Good morning, TikTok guys. Good morning. All right. So help me confirm if the connection is now perfect on YouTube. Those of you on YouTube, are we good now? Okay. All right. So for those of you that are just joining, you're welcome. This is Niels. That's my name, and we do live trading here. We trade the binary options markets. Particularly, we use the EU broker, and I would quickly introduce us to the interface, how it works. Then we would begin to take signals. It is important that you know how to take these signals so that you don't do the wrong thing. We implement very simple strategies here. The principles are quite basic, straightforward, no complexity. In fact, you would catch up. Yeah, just follow the instruction that I give here. Before I go on, can we all like the stream and also share it? Share on your status, like and share so you can get more reach. Let's do that in a few seconds. Let's do that in a few seconds. Just like the stream, like the stream. Somebody saying I'm a beginner, I don't know how it works. Don't worry, I'll show you in few seconds. It is very simple. First thing, you need to get registered. Okay, you can check the description of this stream. Those of you on TikTok can check my profile, you would see the link to register. Then let me go to the interface. This is a rundown to how the interface works. So you need to put in some work from your own end. Okay. At the top, you would select the pair which you want to trade. Here we trade only euro dollar, this particular pair. So you want to make sure it is the pair that is on your interface. Then you can trade either the real account or the demo account. Okay, once you get registered, you're going to be given a demo account. That way you don't necessarily need to deposit your real money immediately until you understand how it works. Okay. So you can use the demo account. Below here is where you put how much you want to use for the trade, any amounts you want to use to enter each trade. It doesn't have to be everything in your balance. You would learn risk management also um, as you advance. Sell means price is coming down. Buy means price is going up. So if I say we are buying or the price is going up, we should all buy. You immediately do the buy. If I say sell or price down, you immediately do the sell. It is immediately. When I give any signal, it is immediately. All right. Then the due duration, you want to set it to 3 minutes. That is the duration we trade here. Okay. So you can follow up these signals either with your real account or with your demo account, whichever way. But we are currently doing a challenge to grow $100 to $500 in 1 month. Again, it is not mandatory that we must hit the targets. However, we want to see how we can stretch to grow. Okay. So these are the four basic things you should know to take trades here. Number one, the pair that you want to trade. Number two, the amounts you want to use as margin per trade, the duration, and whether we are going up or coming down within that duration. These things you're seeing on the screen, they are indicators, and I just use them to do some analysis. All right. So I think that is all. What we do here is strictly live trading. Uh-huh. In we usually have meetings in the Telegram channel, so you can join the channel. There you would learn. I would teach you more about the interface. So let's do some analysis real quick and have some trades Okay. Again, I have checked the markets before now, but I will just put us through it so that everybody can be on the same page. Okay. Although this market has been bullish, but I expect a retracement. The market has been bullish, but I expect a retracement. You see these two lines, especially this one. Let me show us on the higher time frame. 1 day. If you look at what has happened on the 1 day time frame here, We marked this liquid region yesterday, and the price took it out, closed strongly above it. So we would expect that the price comes down into this region, even though it is going to make a higher high. So today, we can call today a liquidity grabbing day. So let's zoom in into 30 minutes and see. All right, see the movements. So we are gradually making a lower low. This is another lower high, and there's going to be a lower low. So this morning, most of my trades would be on the sell side. Most of my trade would be on the sell side. And this is why, if we moved from here, just understand the structure with me. It's quite simple: lower high, lower low, a lower high, a lower low. This is called trend, and it is easy to identify actually. So this is the summary of what is going to be happening today. I hope we are good. Now let's. It does not mean we cannot have a buy entry. Yes, the fact that the structure is bearish, or we expect it to come down, does not mean we cannot get a good buy entry. However, it will favor us more if we see sell entries. So let's zoom into 1 minute. So it is on this 1 minute time frame. I can mark out closed liquid region. Okay, I think I already know them, but I'll still mark them out. There is one here, the previous high. That is a liquid point. There is one here, above and below the price. This is what we do every day. So the OGs here, they should know how to mark. In fact, in their mind, they have already marked all these areas. All right. So I am going to check my indicators to see where or what they are saying. Follow me carefully. I always do explain all of this so that you don't say, boss, I don't understand. Okay. Okay. This is 30. Let me see what 1 minute is saying here. So this indicator up here is called MACD. Then the one down, this line is called RSI. So MACD is beginning to print green. Green, when the bars are green like this, it tells about buy momentum. When the bars are red, it tells about sell momentum. Okay, so right now you can see that these bars, they are green. So this is buy momentum, which I will be waiting to get a sell sign. I'm waiting to get a sell sign. Are you ready to trade this morning? Set your parameters, set your due duration, get everything on set. Let everything be on standby. Let me show us something real quick. You see how that's the market has been dropping from here. Okay, like this, right? Yes. You see how it has dropped all the way. It is normal to expect that we will touch this line. Very possible that we'll touch this line. Also, this particular joint, this place, I don't know if we can see it clearly, but this place is a resistance. Okay, this is a resistance. So if I want to make that place an area, one of the reasons I don't want to start doing so much, I would rather look at them and give a prediction, we all trade and be happy, is because there is no time. So when I look at charts, of course, I see different things. I see many things, which I don't even need to mention. Just trust me. I work with the best strategies. In as much as we see this place as a liquid region, it is also a resistance area, both for basic trades and a resistance area for SNR strategy. Okay, This is a reversal candlestick here and a very bearish candle. So if the market comes towards here, we would have a good sell. If it takes out this point, we would have a good sell. So you see that there are different entries here. We can get a sell here, we can get a sell here. But it all depends on the market. Okay, see, on the 15 minutes right now, it is completely giving me a sell sign. This is 15 minutes. It is completely giving me a sell sign. Because before this 9 minutes closes, before this 15-minute candlestick closes, it will flip down and most likely would continue this bearish move. So let me see what 30 minutes says, just to get some confirmation from different time frames. Okay, 30 minutes is 50-50 because this candlestick is still going to be live for 9 minutes. Okay, let's make a decision. Let's make it. You guys should calm down in the comment section. Why are you rushing me? How now they rush me? Don't worry. We have time to make good deals here. Okay, okay. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me see what my indicators are saying again. The more the market moves, the more we understand what to do, or we know what to do next. Okay. This All right. I think this should push upwards. Let me see if I get a green. Okay, 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 okay. Um, Indicators are saying something different here. Indicators are saying something different. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. So if this is going to be my target, then this is an entry. But I need to confirm. I need to confirm that. I need to confirm that. Okay, no, no, no. It has spoilt the buy. It has spoilt the buy. It has spoilt the buy. Okay, and it is clear on a sell. It is clear on a sell. All right, guys. Let's wait for an entry. Let's wait for an entry. Ah, this is so close. I would have gone into this if it were one, two. Okay. Let's wait for this candle to close. This is 5 minutes. Let's wait for it to close. If this candlestick closes and the next one comes up, it will give me an entry. But let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. You get why? Let's wait. In the next 1 minute, I want us to have a 5/5 trade this morning. How about that? How about having a 5/5 trade? Let's see. 15 minutes. 15 minutes still looking down. Okay. Okay. Um, let's see. This right here. I think the 5 minute just opened. Has it? No, it has not opened. We still have 50 seconds. This is not gold though. This is euro dollar. I think I should write it here. This is euro dollar, please. Don't see. Okay, hold on. All right, I think this is fine now. Okay, 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 okay. We have like 10 seconds for us to find an entry here. The 5 minutes just opened. Let's see it. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's very bearish. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, this trade has left us behind. It has left us behind. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, no, 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 no. It has left us behind. Okay. Well, there's nothing to do right now. It didn't give us an entry. It didn't give us an entry. There's nothing to do right now. So just wait. I don't want us to jump into this trade and then it's selling, but it didn't give us that entry. I didn't see this on 15 minutes. If I had seen this on 15 minutes when it was there, I would have known. If I had seen this on 15 minutes, I would have known it was an entry. It's the same thing that I marked up here. Let me take this. It's the same thing that I marked up here. So if you see the behavior of the candlestick, the green and the red, where the body stopped, that is exactly what happened. So it picked it up and came down. That's why I always check different time frames, because what you're seeing on 5 minutes would possibly be different from what you're seeing on 1 minute and so on. So it is good that, like this one, this is 30 minutes now. We can have the next candlestick come up and would want to tap into this region still. Very much possible. And that will be another entry. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Why is it taking time for us to find trades this morning now? Mm, why? Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Let me see. Let me see what my indicators are saying. One green. Um, Not precise. My MACD is looking good, but RSI is not, and the chart is not. So they are not they are not working together, which is not a good one. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. 1, 2. So we have sold. Even though I know this is bearish, I wouldn't want to go into a sell now. We don't buy when it is already high, and we don't sell when it is already low. Even though I know this is a sell, we cannot make an entry. We cannot make an entry. Your approach for forex trading is not the approach here. So otherwise, you can be going into 3 minute trades and you'll be losing all of them. So we calculate the time to make sure we're having a winning trade. All right, all right, all right. Let this close. Let this close, and we might have an entry here. Let this close. It is the 15 minutes that is closing now. Sit. This candlestick is coming up in 30 seconds. So if it comes up, if the next candlestick comes up and it pushes upwards first, that would be a good entry. That would be a perfect entry for itself. Then we target just this place in a few minutes. Just this guy. Just this guy. I hope you're learning something. That's one good thing about joining live stream. Whether or not you take trades, you will learn something. Um, but we'll take trades. We'll not just learn, we'll win. Okay. This. Okay. think 15 minutes just opened. Let me monitor that movements closely. I want to monitor these movements closely. I want to monitor this movement. Okay. 30 minutes also. Hold on. Then 5 minutes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Really selling. This is really selling. 1 minute is selling. 15 minutes is selling. Then why are we not serving? Why is it not giving us an entry? Mm, 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 mm. Everybody is selling euro dollar. Okay, we are also expecting FOMC today, right? It's gonna be a big day. Okay. Is this holding? Let me check. Let me check. Is this holding? I think buy volume just entered. So this is a sign. If this is a sign, what do we expect next? We would wait for an entry. The entry is for this candlestick to come down a little bit. 30 seconds, okay. The entry will be for this candle to come down a little bit. If it doesn't, then we'll not enter. Don't worry. I know why I'm saying that. I know why I'm saying that. If that is a sign, then let it still come down. Otherwise, we will not enter. It is a trap. Otherwise, it is a trap. Okay. Um, is that it? Is that it? Is that what I'm looking for? Is that what I'm looking for? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me confirm something. Is that what I'm looking for? No, 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 that's not what I'm looking for. It has spoiled. But right here, I just got a sell confirmation. All right, let's go. Our first trade for the day is a sell. Our first trade for the day is a sell. Let's go. If you're in, say, boss, I am in with my whole heart. If you're in, say, boss, I am in. It is a sell. That is our first trade for the day. 3 minutes, and we are bringing euro dollar down. See how many minutes it took me to get an entry. Better don't lose this trade. If you're in, so boss, I'm in. So those of you who don't know how this works, while you're here and waiting for my call, you will just have your trading app on standby. So once I make a call, you can, switch and get your entry, right? So that's how it works. That's how it works. Get your entry and come back immediately. So we monitor it together. And those of you who have two devices, that's an advantage. That's an advantage. That's an advantage. Okay. Very simple. We wait for it. Expect it to remain down here. We'll take out this guy in 3 minutes. We win this trade. We look for an entry to reverse the price back up. Once it takes out this point, we are looking for an opportunity to push it up a little. Then we bring it back down, because today I have said the structure is bearish. You remember, right? So we just want it to remain below this entry. We have 1 minute and about 30 seconds on it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. This is a target. This is a target. It is a liquid area that is target. It is a liquid area that is a target. Great. We're winning this, right? We're winning this. Why is it still here? I thought this one is already breaking down. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Less than 30 seconds. Are we winning this? What do you think, guys? Are we winning it? Are we winning it? The market can be crazy. You see where it did. Before you know now, it go just push go up. But I don't think today we have so much volatility. Like the movement so far, I've not seen rapid volatility in the market. Okay. Oh my God. I expected that. It is because of that 5 minute candlestick that just opened. That 5 minute candlestick that just opened. Let's say. Ooh, did I win this trade or I lost it? I won the trade. Okay, no, is half. Is equal entry. But I know some of you will win this trade. Give me your feedback real quick. Yeah, I'm seeing one. TikTok people the hot. Let me see your response. I didn't win this trade and I didn't lose it. See that it closed exactly at my entry and I didn't make any profit, but I got my return. Oh, okay. I think more persons are winning or more persons won the trade on TikTok than on YouTube, and I'm seeing draw too. Okay, let's not dwell on it. Let's not dwell on it. I've not made money today, so I need to fly. I need to fly. Let's see what just happened. It is that 5 minute candlestick that's opened. So when it opens like that, it usually would give, you see, is this movement. This is what costs our loss. But it's okay. Let's find the next um let's see. Okay. This is actually a weak market. A weak market. But oh, why did I lose that trade because of few seconds? This is a sell, but it is not a good entry. This is a sell, but it's not a good entry. So the market will always give you a sign and give an entry. Okay, I just saw one sign now. Let's go, guys. Let's buy double martingale. Martingale, which is double entry. So we're buying, and I've just entered. Look at it. I've just entered. So we're pushing it back up here in the next 3 minutes. I have just seen a sign on my MACD, and the structure. Remember, I said whether or not the market is bullish or bearish, we can still get a buy. Yeah, we can still get a buy because binary option is not the same with forex trading. So we work with time frame. If you are able to detect or identify an area that holds the market, an area that will cause a shift or reversal in the market, that's all you need. So let's expect. Let's this hold on. So this is what had just happened, right? So this is what we are trading. This is what we are trading. This push up. That's what we are trading. That's what we are trading. If this is our liquid area and he grabbed it, let's push up, and that is all. That is okay. Let's see. My problem now is why does this just keep moving around my entry? Then later it will now starts it will now start behaving crazy. What? 3 minutes. Let's see what 1 minute is saying. Push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up, and remain there Oh my God. Oh my God. No, this is bad now. This 5 minute candlestick. This 5 minute candlestick keeps opening and scattering my trade. This 5 minute candlestick keeps opening and scattering my trade. See, it just opened. This candlestick just opened. And the first thing it did was to dump. Who does that? Damn, 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 damn. I have like 20 seconds. If this doesn't push up right now, then there is problem. What kind of market is this? 5 and 4 and 3. You can do that thing you know how to do best. Just take it up. Oh my God. I don't like losing two trades. It's it kills my mood. What's happening to these markets? Okay. It seems we're having a bad day already. But let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. In fact, let me check 1 hour. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. 30 minutes. Then let's see 5 minutes. Oh God. This can be so annoying, eh? Because tell me why the trade is still aligned. Okay, let's go into the last trade. This will be our third trade. If we don't win this trade, then it's enough. Let's go. It's a buy. Buy it. Buy it. Buy it. Yeah, go for it. If you're in, say boss, I'm in. You can see. My account don't come below. Thank you. Yeah, 4 entries. Look at it. 4 entries. 4 entries. If you're in, say boss, I'm in. We are still on that same plan. We are still on that same plan. We are still on that same plan to here and to here. We are still on that same plan because this is where a healthy reversal is expected. If you're in, say, right, I am in. Let's get this recovered real quick. Let's get this recovered real quick. We still have more than 2 minutes here. Let's get this recovered real quick. This market should move. If I lose this trade, then my account is not healthy. My profits for yesterday has been taken. Yeah. This. I don't have this time. Okay. 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 15 minutes is not looking nice. 15 minutes is not looking nice. 5 minutes is just 50-50. And 1 minute is looking just there. Okay. 1 minute actually looks good. 1 minute actually looks good. Do I have the time? Okay. Above entry. Great. Great. It happened. It's happening. It's happening. We're winning this one. We're winning this one. There's a lot of manipulation because people in the market are investors looking to take out retail traders so that they can stack up enough money for tonight's news. Well, That's for those of you that trade news. I don't really trade news. I don't trade news that much. I am 100% a technical analyst. Great, 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 great. Now we are talking now. Now we are talking. What's all these people doing? What's all this one? All right, we're winning this. Again, this is, you see how important it is to follow the plan, to follow the strategies, to follow Martingale. If you didn't do Martingale or you don't have enough money to do Martingale, you will still be in loss. But see, we have recovered and even made profit. So it is almost impossible to do binary options and not use Martingale. Anything, if you hear people say this works, just do it. Money in the bag, guys. Money in the bag. Now, if you lost the first trade and lost the second trade and won this one, you have recovered everything you lost and you have made profit. That's how Martingale works. But for somebody who doesn't know this, you go into one trade, you lose it. You go into second trade, you lose it with the same amount. You're not going to the third one, you lose it with the same amount. Even if you win, you need to make like 4 wins to recover. And it is not something that works in this type of trading. So how will you know if you are just a forex trader who doesn't trade the options market and then you jump into it because somebody is telling you they are making money inside? You lose your money now, you see. Exactly what I expected. So now what I would want is a reversal. I would want to get a sell because the structure is still bearish. So let me see. Let's take this out now so that we can see clearly. This 15 minutes closed very bullishly. It's held so well. No, 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 no. This is crazy. Crazy buy. Somebody is asking, option isn't forex. No, it is not. Options is not forex. It is not forex. Put that on replay. The psychology, the strategy, not the same. The contract itself is not the same. So imagine you take one trade in a week or one trade a day in forex markets, and here somebody is giving you 5 trades in 1 hour. Will you not say this is a scam? So it is not the same thing.